Sudhir Mishra has once again come up with a political thriller movie Das Dev, starring Richa Chadda and Rahul Bhatt as lead. Das Dev is a contradictory version of Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay's popular novel Devdas. Taking you by surprise in accord to the remake trends, the album does not have a single remake and just 7 original and wonderful songs. The 7 tracks are very meaningful as they are written by the most talented poets and writers in terms of lyricists. 5 music directors have come together and composed such melodious songs. Let's visit the promotional song shoot of the film and hear what our stars have to say.
आज हम एक प्रमोशनल टाइप का सॉन्ग शूट कर रहे हैं और राहुल है और मैं हूँ और जो सिंगर हैं आर्को वो भी हैं सॉन्ग में और फिरोज इस कोरियोग्राफिंग है.
जनरली जो होता है सुधीर जी की फिल्मों में कोई प्रमोशनल ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. यू नो हाउ सुधीर्स फिल्म्स आर वेरी रियलिस्टिक एंड लेकिन इस बार क्योंकि फिल्म भी थोड़ी सी कमर्शियल है तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि ये जो गाना पर्टिकुलरली रंगदारी है इसके लिए एक वीडियो ज़रूर बनता है. सो that's why we are here.
The characters are originally from Sarat Babu, then Shakespeare comes in and Hamlet comes in, then the Indian political set. Then the women sort of start behaving differently because it's now, and so Paro starts escaping from the demure coy girl that she is in the original. She stands against, she has a point of view, she dumps him again and again, and then finally wants to take revenge. Their fight becomes political. She takes a stand against him. She has a right to, she says to him that I've learned all this crap manipulation from you, so I'll give you back in your own coin. So she becomes something, and then she also gets addicted to power, and then how both of them escape. So it's not, and so Chandramukhi is like a political manipulator, fixer, but with the same power broker with the same fatal flaw of Chandramukhi, which was to be in love with Dev. So she's the kind of person every politician knows but pretends they don't. You see them in the corridors of power, these seductresses who manipulate money and power, business deals. Like she said, power broker. So that's what she is, but she'll get away with something for her own.